Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I am really excited to film this video. I am going to be watching the Dior Homme Pre-Fall 2019 men's show. And this is Kim Jones's second runway, and so I am really a big fan. I'm a big fan of Kim Jones, and so this is a really exciting thing. I have not watched this yet. I have seen, so the show has been out for a week now, but I have not had time to actually sit down and film a video like this. And so let's just go at it because I'm really excited. I've seen like clips and pictures here and there, but I have not seen the actual show. And so I will basically, after the intro of this video, I'll be in the corner somewhere, and yeah, the fashion show is gonna be in the big picture. All right, so yeah, stay tuned, and yeah, hopefully this goes well because I'm really excited about it. Alright, so I am going to press play in 3, 2, 1, and go. Alright, so this show really gives me some strong Tron vibes. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that movie, but it's, I think, a movie from the 80s, if I'm not mistaken. It's a very futuristic type of movie. But yeah, this look in particular, this sweater with the Dior written out in futuristic font, I think that made me think of that movie. So here is a trench coat, not too thrilled about that, but this big huge figure in the center of the runway is just amazing. This is the bag that I've seen. It's like a saddle bag made out of metal, and the the model had like metal on his hands. That was just freaking amazing. I saw pictures of that, so I knew it was there. Oh look, this is a small backpack. I don't know if that's something men would, want in their wardrobe, but yeah. All right, so, so there was another metal piece. It was like a small little saddlebag that the model had on his belt. Okay, I'm noticing now there's a lot of like heavy chains, similar to Virgil Abloh's first show with Louis Vuitton. Not a fan, to be honest with you guys. Alright. Black trench coat. And so this black bag, it's like a long one, has reminiscence of the one of the Louis Vuitton bags that I have, but I forget what it's called. I'm not really digging these hats with these dangling things on the side of them. Alright, so a lot of metallic colors in this collection, which you'd expect with a futuristic theme. A lot of blacks. This black ensemble sort of reminds me of Neo from The Matrix. And I wish they would show the bags, because that's what I'm more interested in. And I think this bag in particular, the round one with the Dior print, that came out in Kim Jones's first collection, and that's still sitting on the website, by the way. Not a big fan of that. Okay, so here, another bag. That one's a really cool shoulder bag. Alright, so here is a jacket that sort of looks like, oh, it's really hard because they keep on going back and forth between the different looks. Okay, there's like some moon boots action going on. And he still is collaborating with Alex Studios with the buckles in these prints. I mean, in these designs, which is really cool. I'm really excited about that buckle because there are some hats with it as well. Here's a very tinfoily kind of look. Not a big fan of that. And I'm noticing again with these heavy chains as necklaces and as things that are coming out of pockets and chains on the bags. Not a big fan. Okay, so this looks sort of like a harness, sort of like looking like thing with two pouches on the sides. That's reminiscent of Virgil Abloh's collection also. Alright, here's a more bluish metallic. That's pretty cool. More metallics. There were a few floral prints in this collection. And excuse me, I'm a little under the weather right now, so yeah, my throat's a little dry. There is, again, with these sort of combat boots. Most of the models are wearing those. Oh, and this little piece is like a wristlet with a familiar saddle shape and made out of metal. That's really cool. Now, I don't know how much these things are going to retail for. I know it's going to be really expensive. Or if they ever even make it off the runway. Okay, more metallics, blues, another backpack. That's pretty cool. Here it looks like a so black, or I think they call it ultra black in Dior, like a saddle shoulder bag. That would be so freaking awesome if that's what it was. Because I'm all about the so black or the ultra black. These black looks, or black color looks, are sort of giving me some like Neo vibes from the Matrix. Again, more chains, not a big fan. Alright, so another, and I noticed with these Dior suits, jackets, it's mostly double-breasted with a single button at the side, which is very classy, I think. Okay, more combat boots, another black jacket, another black jacket. I wish there was more colors, or more blacks with silver or metallic trim. Okay, so that was the show. Now the models are all coming out, and the lights are just coming down, and there's like lasers all coming around. It's really cool. Oh, and here's Kim Jones himself. This show was really, really fast. It was only about like maybe 7 minutes or so. But yeah, this is just really cool. And one thing that I like about, so this is sort of like, on the side of that, like with Kim Jones, is that he brought sort of like the street style to Louis Vuitton, and he didn't overdo it. And I thought it still maintained a bit of class, or it maintained a lot of class, and I think he's doing it again here in Dior. I'm not really digging these thick chains. Like, they look like chains that you'd take off of a bike lock, and so that's basically my impression of it. And I know Virgil had that in his shows in Louis Vuitton's first men's show, and it looked like Kim was taking some inspiration from Virgil Abloh's first show from Louis Vuitton. I don't know if they're like talking to each other, or just giving each other some inspiration there, which is fine and dandy and whatnot, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of the chains. And another thing that I wanted to basically preface in this video is I got this box right here, which I will be opening in a future video, so stay tuned for that. And just a hint of what it is from Kim Jones's first drop, or first collection that was released online, or it was also released in stores as well, but I purchased that over the internet. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'm really excited for that as well, because it is my very first Kim Jones piece, and I was really scared that I'd missed the boat because I hadn't pre-ordered anything. But yeah, I was really lucky to score that online. But yeah, so that does it for this video. Hope you liked it, and please share your comments and your idea, or just your thoughts on this show, the Kim Jones runway show. And yeah, let's have a discussion going. Until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.